Good morning, my people. We don come again with this book, with book review. And this time, we dey continue with wetin we don start before, and na church shift be the book. The book, we don talk am before say na Dr. Sunday Adelaja write the book for Ukraine. Ukraine, the man wey build the biggest church for Ukraine. And the man, wetin make us dey read the book be, wetin make us dey review the book be say, anytime wey the book, wey im produce book, the book go turn to world selling, world best selling, and big big men like Bill Clinton, Bill Gates, Mike Murdoch, all those people go dey read am. Na im make we say make we dey bring this thing for Nigerian English and Yoruba for we people too to dey follow see am. So last time we talk about people get power. People get power, na im be the first con ten t. People get power, na im be the first con ten t. But today we want to dey tell we want to go to second chapter wey e say the church shift, kingdom minded church, na im be the second chapter. So, and I no dey here today alone. I dey here with my mama Yoruba, and my name be Oyekan Oluwole Basi. And you?
Ìyáàfin Oyèkán Olúwàbùnmi Victoria.
So my brother and sister, make we go straight go dey talk about the lesson wey we learn for chapter 2. Chapter 2, the lesson number 1 wey we see for chapter 2 be say the work wey Jesus Christ do for cross, wey him dey not for only individual, wey him die no be for only individual, but na for the whole country, na for the whole world. You see, my people, the work wey Jesus Christ do for cross, na the redemption work, na for everybody, no be for only us, no be for only some people called church. It is for the whole nation. And na im make, because nation dey determine everything wey happen for individual. Thank you.
Apá kejì tí a fẹ́ bójútó ní èní, àkórí rẹ̀ ni ìjọ gbọ́dọ̀ bójútó gbogbo ayé, ìjọba gbogbo ayé. Ẹ̀kọ́ kìíní tí a máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ ni ìràpadà Ọlọ́run fún gbogbo ẹ̀dá ni, kì í ṣe fún ẹnìkan nìkan. Kì í ṣe fún ẹnìkan nìkan. Ìwé tí a ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ ní òní, òun ni yíyí ìjọ. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tí ó kọjá, a ti bójútó apá kìíní rẹ̀. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí, a fẹ́ bójútó apá kejì. Apá kejì tí mo dẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ yìí ni ìjọ gbọ́dọ̀ bójútó gbogbo ayé. Ẹ̀kọ́ kìíní tí a rí kọ́ nínú ìwé yìí, nínú apá kejì yìí ni ìràpadà Ọlọ́run fún gbogbo ayé ni, kì í ṣe fún ẹnìkan. Kì í ṣe fún àwa tí a pera wa ní onígbàgbọ́, kì í ṣe fún àwọn abala kejì, ṣùgbọ́n fún gbogbo ẹ̀dá tí ó wà ní ayé ni, nítorí pé Ọlọ́run rán ọmọ rẹ̀ wá kí ó wá kú fún gbogbo ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀, kí ó wá kú fún gbogbo àgbáyé, kì í ṣe fún ẹyọ ẹnìkan.
Na me and you, second lesson wey we see for the book be say na me and you God give power to dominate earth. Na me and you be the light of the world, no be government, no be this thing. So any problem wey we no solve for world remain there. So that mean say na me and you God give power make we solve problem for we Nigeria. Take for example, for we Nigeria now wey we see kidnapping, every day dem dey kill person, dem dey steal pikin, dem dey steal adult. So na me and you fit stop am, hungry, poverty all together. Na me and you fit stop am, no be even government, because na me and you God say make we dominate. Na me and you be the light of the world. Na the second lesson wey we learn for the book be that.
Ẹ̀kọ́ kejì tí a rí kọ́ nínú ìwé yìí ni ìwọ, ìjọ àti èmi ni Ọlọ́run gbé ilé ayé lé lọ́wọ́ láti máa jọba, kì í ṣe fún àwọn ìjọba nìkan o, ṣùgbọ́n fún ìwọ àti èmi, àti gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìjọ. Ìwọ àti èmi gbọ́dọ̀ dẹ́kun gbogbo ìwà ìbàjẹ́ tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní orílẹ̀-èdè bíi ìjínigbé, ìpànìyàn, ìfènìyànṣòwò àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Iṣẹ́ ìwọ àti èmi àti ìjọ ni láti dẹ́kun gbogbo ìwà ìbàjẹ́ wọ̀nyí.
Number third lesson be say our work as church na to dey teach the whole world wetin God want, na to bring doctor principle, na to, like I say the other time, our work for church na to where we go teach people wetin to go do for world. where we go teach people how a doctor go perfect im work, help the poor, be excellent for im work, invent things according to God wisdom. Na wetin church meant for be that.
Ẹ̀kọ́ kẹta ni pé ojúṣe wa ni láti tàn gbogbo àlàkalẹ̀ ìjọba Ọlọ́run, láti tàn yíká gbogbo ayé. Kì í ṣe sí ìjọ nìkan, kì í ṣe sí kíkọ́ àwọn èèyàn jọ nìkan, ṣùgbọ́n láti tàn gbogbo àlàkalẹ̀ ìjọba Ọlọ́run, láti tàn ká gbogbo ayé. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ibi iṣẹ́ oníkálùkù wa, gẹ́gẹ́ bí dókítà níbi iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ tí ó ti ń bójútó àwọn aláìsàn, kí ó tàn ìjọba Ọlọ́run káàkiri gbogbo ayé.
Number 4 lesson wey we learn for the book be say, if church no change nation, but e only change church, e only focus on church, the church don disappoint God, and to God's eyes, according to this book, the church don fail. And another thing wey we learn for that chapter be say, e be like the church don turn itself to small pikin wey you give am 20 naira, you give am one biscuit to collect 1,000 naira from im hand. God give the church the whole nation. The church now gather few people, call 1,000, 2,000, and say they don achieve. The church don disappoint God to God's eyes.
Ìjọ gbọ́dọ̀ gbájúmọ́ ìyípadà gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè. Kì í ṣe wípé kí ó kó àwọn ènìyàn jọ nìkan, kí ó gbájúmọ́ àwọn ènìyàn tí ó kó jọ nìkan, ṣùgbọ́n kí ó gbájúmọ́ àti tún gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè ṣe. Kì í ṣe pé ókè o, bí ìjọba yìí tí kò bá gbájúmọ́ àti tún gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè ṣe, ó ti pàdánù tó pọ̀, nítorí wípé Ọlọ́run fún ní agbára láti ṣe ìjọba gbogbo orílẹ̀-èdè. Kì í ṣe pé lórí àwọn ènìyàn kéréte tí ó bá kó jọ nìkan, ṣùgbọ́n fún gbogbo àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè púpọ̀.
My people, in case you just dey join us, the book wey we dey review na Church Shift, and we dey lesson number 5, and that's chapter 2 we dey now, and we dey lesson number 5. Now, lesson number 5 be the last one, and the last lesson wey we will learn from the book be say, the whole essence of subduing your kingdom, the whole reason why God say dominate your kingdom, na to help needy people, na to help poor, motherless, sick people. Na him be the, when God speak those grammar, we dey think say him dey talk about we building the biggest this thing, the biggest. Of course, you fit build am, but na to help the needy, to dey help the poor, to dey help the sick, to dey help the fatherless. Na him make God say make we dominate. Na him make God say we are the light of the world. Na him make God say, God tell us all the promise.
Ní àkótán ẹ̀yin ará mi, èyí tí ó ṣe pàtàkì jùlọ nínú gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ yìí, òun ni ríran ara ẹni lọ́wọ́, ríran àwọn aláìní lọ́wọ́. Kì í ṣe àwọn ènìyàn wa nìkan o, bí àwọn tí kò ní bàbá, àwọn tí kò ní ìyá, àwọn opó, even àwọn aláìsàn, pàápàá jùlọ àwọn aláìsàn àti àwọn aláìní tí ó wà ní àyíká wa. Kì í ṣe àwọn ẹbí wa, kì í ṣe àwọn tí ó súnmọ́ wa nìkan, ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tí a ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ rí, ríran wọn lọ́wọ́ ó ṣe pàtàkì jùlọ.
So we people, thank you very much for waiting and following us to the end. Please help us to share this video and drop your comment. And we dey YouTube too. You fit go YouTube, go see us for El Shaddai Wisdom for African Transformation. El Shaddai Wisdom for African Transformation. Please go there, go subscribe, help us share this video, and do other things where you say you fit take promote us. You fit even correct us, because we just dey start. We need your correction on wetin we fit do to serve you better. Once again, my name na Oyeko Oluwole Basi, the presenter, and you.
Ẹ̀yin ará mi ní ilé, ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa fi ẹ̀rọ wa yìí ṣe ọwọ́. A wà lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára káàkiri. Ẹ bá wa fi ìwé wa ìkẹ́ fi ṣọwọ́ sí àwọn ènìyàn. Èmi sì ni Ìyáàfin Oyèkán Olúwàbùnmi Victoria.
Bye for now.